In this video, we will talk about top 5 colleges in Canada. So I have made a list of top 5 colleges in Canada, which I am going to show you now. In my first list, there is the name of Centennial College. Now we will talk about Centennial College. Centennial College has been established in 1966. It is the Toronto's first public college. So Centennial College, established in 1966, it is the Toronto's first public college. Centennial College had offered more than 70 diploma and certificate programs in community and health studies, business communication, general arts, science and engineering technology, transportation and hospitality. So Centennial College is the one of the best college in Canada. And why it is famous? Because it is the Toronto's first public college. So now we will talk about second college, which is the best college in Canada, George Brown College. George Brown College, just a minute, I have written a wrong spelling of college. Okay, George Brown College is located in the Canada largest city, Toronto, and George Brown College has 3 main campus. All campuses are located in Toronto only. This college, George Brown College, offers a program in business, art and design, early childhood education, community services, health science, construction and engineering technology. So these are the program offered by George Brown College. Let me show you some more college, which is the best colleges in Canada. So now we will talk about our third college in Canada, which I have kept in the list of colleges in Canada. Okay, for now we will talk about Red River College. It is the third college which I kept in the list in top 5 colleges in Canada. Now Red River College is located in Winnipeg and one of the best college in Manitoba. Okay, so Red River College is located in Winnipeg and one of the best college in Manitoba. It has more than 35,000 students and it offers more than 200 programs. If I talk about the graduation employment rate of this college, I am talking about Red River College. So the graduation employment rate of this college is more than 90%, and that's why this is the best college in Canada. And if you want to study, you can study here also. Okay, and it comes in top 5 colleges in Canada. So please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. I will show you now more 2 colleges, which is the top 5 colleges in Canada. Okay, in my fourth list, I have kept Seneca College. Seneca College has been established in 1967 and it offers program in this area like business, science, health, engineering, digital and animation, multimedia and fashion. So if you want, you can join Seneca College if you have an interest in business, science, digital and animation, multimedia like this. So you can join this Seneca College as it has been established in 1967. Let me show you the last college in the top 5 best college in Canada. So this is the last college which I kept in list in top 5 college in Canada, Humber College. This college has more than 25,000 students and it is located in Toronto. So Humber College is located in Toronto, Canada, and it is a public college and it offers more than 130 programs. It has got an affiliation from ACCC. So full form of ACCC is Association of Canadian Community Colleges, CAA, Canadian Collegiate Athletic Association, and more are 2 from which Humber College has get an affiliation. So these are the top 5 colleges in Canada. Let me name them again. Centennial College, first college, just me show you again. Centennial College, okay, what is happening now? Okay, Centennial College, George Brown College, Red River College, Seneca College and Humber College. So these are the top 5 colleges in Canada. If any international student want to study, then they can choose any of this college from here. Okay, some colleges are there which offer international study. Okay, and please subscribe my channel if you want to see more video like this.